confidence at saka very good eye overall.
Thank you, Leah. So for our contestant number 3, we'd like to call sa stage Aubrey G. Cabandi. Okay, so yung sa mountain Aubrey. Don't cry for me. Tanong ko lang, no? Kasi yung kung Don't Cry for Me Argentina is a very difficult song to sing. Okay? Pero at her age, kakantahin niya yan. Tanong ko lang, bakit napili mo song na yan, Aubrey? Wala nung 3 years old, at kinakanta mo na yung Don't Cry for Me. So there you give us a sample, okay, of her vocal talent. So here we have Aubrey G. Cabandi, contestant number 3, sing the song Don't Cry for Me in Argentina. Okay. This time, let's ask Mr. Wendy Higaus for her comments.
He's very refreshing on stage. One misconception about Silver Spoon. With her at her young age, she was active. And what I'm feeling, very refreshing ng boses ng yung feeling, she's very good with carrying herself. And I think it's very important for the stage presence niya. Kasi pag simulang ko lang ng bukas, bukas sa body, yung tulong ka. So, ang buka pa lang, parang hindi nila natin ang So, with you need a song, hindi mo nakita kasi nandun. So, kung ang buka ka, okay nila. But still, you have a lot of very good.
Thank you, Ms. Rock. And studying at Baguio Central School. Okay, so anong song kakantahin mo, Claire?
It's all coming back to you.
It's all coming back to you now. Okay, so have you sung this song? Nakakatawa na ba ito sa ibang contest before? So, sino naman ang influence mo? Sino yung pinakalang singers nowadays na talagang gusto mong ma-imitate yung boses or not imitate? Basta yung para sa'yo, you admire the singer. Cilindro? Cilindro. Okay, so let's now have our last contestant for the first round. Singing It's All Coming Back to Me Now, Leila L. Tantico.
pumunta dyan is prepare natin sa natin na we have to move. We have to make the audience sa events natin. We forget to listen na ang nangyayari sometimes is na hindi natin marinig yung music. Siguro nakaka-focus tayo dun sa pag-direct. Magaling siya mag-belt ng song. Diba? Magaling siya sumigaw. Magaling siya mag-belt. Yeah, that's why I like about it. Yeah, so, sorry. So, something really nice lang sa movements.
Ayan, magaling ka mag-belt. Magaling ko lang mag-belt na sila ngayon. Katulad ng ating mga judges na nandito ngayon. Sila itong song mo, yung title dyan. One Moment in Time. Okay, so why did you choose this song? Favorite mo. So favorite mo si Whitney. Whitney.
Marami pang pa si Domingo. Ha? Huwag mo mo. Gawin mo. Baka mo yun ang damit ko. Ay, labas.
Hindi naman. Di ba yung ano, yung last? Di ba yung last? Yung ikaw yung ano, yung wala sa yung last.
Puta mo na. Hindi siya. Next week pa yun.
Next week pa pala yun.
Miss
Hold there now. Wala siya.
Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Kaya kailangan lang po natin yung ating single receipt group of purchase worth 100 pesos from any stores or shops here at Abanao Square. Okay, yung three. So we will have it on the 3rd, 3, 10, 17, and 24. So that's our acoustic Fridays. Lahat po ng biyernes, meron tayong acoustic performers here, 5 p.m. onwards. February 4, 11, 18, and the 26th, na-announce ko na po kanina, Little Singing Star 2006 at the food court, 3 p.m. onwards. On February 14, Valentine's Day, Abanao Square is cordially inviting you. Meron po tayong acoustic Valentine's. Mag-uumpisa po siya ng 12 noon onwards. So starting 12 noon, meron na po tayong acoustic performers, 7 p.m. onwards. At sa Feb 18, meron po tayong album launch ng various band bands, 5 p.m. onwards, dyan dito sa ating roof deck. So these are our events for February. Hope you spend your whole month of February here at Abanao Square. They are all winners. All of them gave their best. But unfortunately, we will select top 2 according to the judges. Okay?
Baliktad ah, ginawa ni Dan ah.
So we have, please step forward and thank you for participating sa ating 2006 Little Singing Star. Rhea Laris, Villanuman, please step forward. Thank you. And we have Leia L. Cantico, please step forward. Thank you very much for participating. Palakpakan naman po natin. So, hindi naman po obvious. Okay, yun na yung dalawa, ipauwi na natin. Okay. 1, Lea El Tanito. Abanaw Square presents his certificate of participation to Lea El Tanito for actively participating in the eliminations of our little singing star. Thank you. Lea Luis. Abanaw Square presents the certificate of participation to Lea Luis. 95.9 Big FM, the sound of the city, located at the roof deck of Abanaw Square. And RCTI Abanaw Square branch, located at the second level. Jealous and Harold, located here at the second level. So thank you po. Thank you very much.
And if I had my way, surely the Lord would make a mess of you can be something to my life. Take me up on the ride. You can make it in a big balloon, but you better make it soon. You can reach behind heaven, cross the vessel like an air. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. I don't care. I need you right here, right now. I need you right here, right now, right by my side.
Parang kulang po ata yung everybody's information. Siya po ay from San Luis Village, Baguio City. And she's studying at San Jose West Central Elementary School. Tatlong. My heart will go on. Zara, why did you choose this song? Idol mo yung kumanta. Okay, so here we have, ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 1 singing My Heart Will Go On, Zara May E. Gelasio. The performance of Zara May.
Expectation.
Completely for performance. Kasi there's a big difference between singing and writing. And yung pinipilit, abutin.
Natin are as follows. So meron po tayong 40% that goes sa voice quality. Ulitin ko po, 40% for voice quality. Timing and coordination is 20%. Stage performance is 15%. Audience impact is 15%. And yung choice of song is 10%. The only rose, baliktad. The only thorn among the roses. May we call on John Christopher Cao on stage, our contestant number 2. ginawa mo para mag-prepare ka for this contest? Nung nalaman mo na I scheduled you for this Saturday, paano ka nag-practice? Pumunta ka sa mga video, okay? And then, pumunta na pumunta. So, hindi ka naman paus ngayon, baka nasobra ka sa pagdagda. Hindi naman. Ano kakatahin mo niya dyan? King Star 2006, John Christopher Kawak, 11 years old, from Josefa Carino Elementary School.
Kamusta yan?
My heart's feeling so much love. I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. And deep around is not enough for me to love you. Let's spend another lifetime together if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
Kamusta yan?
You say tomorrow seems so far away. And now you see that everything can change. My love for you is stronger as tomorrow comes. I know this love was practiced all time. Show you that my love will never
Kamusta yun daw? May damit?
Wala pa po tayong mga kamay dyan. Hindi naman obvious na talagang nakarami siya ng kanta sa video, okay? Sa panahon natin. So, I would like to ask the comments of Miss Irish for Christopher.
How old are you now? 11 years old. Akin lang, maybe next time, change lang ang song, huwag ko tayo. Kasi you're already wrong, hindi naman bakla. Okay. Anyway, wala ko sa next day. Maganda lang. Thank you, ma'am.
Across the distance and spaces between us.
Oliveros, Bisaya. Oliveros singing The Greatest Love of All.
kulang sa namin. So, kulang sa namin ang pag-laksa. So, yun.
Yan na. No sleep, Bien. No sleep mo si Bien.
Thank you, Mr. Rich. Thank you, Zara. So, for everybody's information, points will be hapon. Ma'am Tina. Anyway, yung certificate eh, bibigay naman. Okay. So, here's your prize. Here's your prize. Yung certificate, we will give it to you later. So ito po ang ating finalist sa para sa ating contest on the 26th. Hope you enjoy po yung ating singing contest eliminations this afternoon. We would like to thank the sponsors, of course. Greenwich, RCBI, Music World, 95.9 Big FM, Jealous and Aaron. Special thanks going to Click Glamour Photography for covering our event this afternoon. So come and visit Apanal Square for shopping, dining, and more. Thank you very much sa lahat po ng pumunta this afternoon.
Seems like feel the song, and you did good.
Thank you, Mary. Thank po natin siya. For the second time, we have Edgar Bogdan singing To Love You More, okay, with a functional microphone.
Yung dati, di ba yung bago na CD na, di ba?
Okay, muli, palakpakan muli natin. Muli na yung isa. Contestant naman.
Just for a moment, and sometimes you feel it too. Be strong, hold on, if you want to hold this. Turn your backs on you, and you'll see us. You don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to open to you. I know you'll see it too. Days, hurry your eyes. You just reach out. When the road seems so long and endless, you know you see nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just walk on the way to your heart. For my love will see you. Your love Jonas Corsuela.
Years of flagging the race with my place that you're too many days. Wonder who can even relate when eventually create within me. I used to play it all, got to elevate and motivate for this game now. But eventually back and checking out the world all over town. I think I'm on this woman just to look at this one. Now she got a We used to hit me with this group. It's not in my time. The room is simply like a soldier on the front lines. You gotta look into his eyes, leave my boots ready to fly. And if my deep in here, bro, it's why I got to grind. Then that's the rock. Where's the love? And we're getting bugs, drugs, and chilling the clubs. On the ground and top of the bedside until I get cause no one understand. I'm just another man, all alone in the sea. Oh God, forgive me for my sins, cause I'm just doing my thing like that.
All I can do is move along. Has to live my life peacefully. No more business of friend. I'm keep on. Yung aking sinabi, lahat na ginais ko. Ako'y gulong-gulo lagi na ng babae ko.
Sa buhay kong ito, litong-lito, mga pangarap ko ay pilit na inilalay ko. Ngunit hindi dumating ang araw na para sumikat. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, may mayaman at mahirap. Sa atin din ang nagustuhang makamit aking pangarap. Mga pangarap na pilit kong inakakita. Lubos at pagsisikap, nakaraos lang sa hirap. Kahit alam ko, nasadya itong mahirap. Di ako susuko at lalong nagpusige. Alam ko na parang araw ako ay magwawagi. Simula hanggang huli, hindi ako nagsisi. Kumahang nalala, napuno ng punyage. Napi,
Lahat ng dinais ko. Ako'y gulong-gulo lagi na ng babae ko.
nakita lang pagkati ko.
Tungkong pag-ibig, hati ang aking sinabi.
Napi,
Lahat ng dinanas ko, ako'y gulong-gulo lagi na ng babae ko.
pangako, habang patagal ay parang lalo nagbabago. Sa bawat sandali, tayong dalawa ay magkasama. Pilit ko mang imago, aking pa rin nadarama. Sa yakap ko't halik, tila ba ika'y sawa na mas natutuwa ka pa kapag iba ang iyong kasama. Mga kaibigan mo, binibigyan ng importansya. Pagmamahal ko naman sa'yo, balewala. Balikan iisa lang, iisang milisi. Bata matanda, may tropa o wala. Maghawak-hawak na kamay, iwagayway, sabay-sabay. Dahil ngayon ang Pinoy, di alam ang gagawin. Pakinig sa bawat salitang bibig at tipso.
Besides, and Mindanao.
Let's wait for tomorrow, let's act now. Pinoy, isang tulo, isang lagi. Di taas ang bandera ng kayumaki. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Let's say you classic, let's say, come on, you go.
Di ba lahat? Ingay mo.
Sabi mo sa isipan matatamis na alaala. Sa relasyon nating dalawa, wala kong inangarap kundi ika'y maging asawa. Nang dahil lang sa'yo, buhay ko ay nag-iba. Sarap kong iisipin, di ako nag-iisa. Ngunit aking mahal, pag bigla ka na lang nagbago. Sa tuwing magkatabi, parang meron kang tinatago. Mga yakap mo't hatid, tila ba ngayon ay kay Lami? Meron na bagong laban, meron ka na bang bagong pag-ibig? Hindi mo man sabihin, nadarama ko rin. Pagmamahalan natin, nakabigit na sa bangin. Wala na bang paraan upang muli mong mahalin? Oh baby, don't miss ka ba ko? Did I do something wrong? Oh baby, don't miss you me so. Ikaw nagbigay pag-asa sa akin, nagbigay ligaya. Paghawak ko iyong kamay, para maakong na mapalagay. Ang matagal mong hinintay, di na ba ngayon ay nagkabuhay? Hawak-hawak, yakap-yakap at laging hinahagad. Di ko lubos maisip na tayong dalawa'y magkakatuluyan. Cause my lady, I think that destiny brought us together. Ikaw aking pangarap, you're the one that I desire. Pero bakit nakaganon sa tinagal ng panahon? Biglang nasira ang relasyon dahil sa ibang noon. Ang iyong pag-ibig na alay, naganap ka ng bagong karamay. Pag-ibig na walan ng buhay, pag-ibig na walan ng saysay. Nakala ko'y magtatagal dahil sa'yo nagpapaga. Then you left me all alone. Then you go to stop my phone. Baby, could we sing this song? I can't understand na lang. What's the use of beauty kung ikaw ay ganyan? Pati ang puso ko naghihirapan. Halos araw-araw kitang inaabangan. Sinusulyapan at napanaginipan. Di ka na maaalis sa aking isipan. Para kang si Eva at ako si Adan. Cause everything I do it for you. There's no more love than my love for you.
Let's have Charlene up front. Charlene, give us some grind. Okay, audience impact in the house for Charlene. Okay, 1 to 10.